Good morning, all of you. So, I'm Soumya Tiwari Dimri. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you, all my dear subscribers, for subscribing my, sharing my, and commenting my channel. And I will try to use more English as suggested by the followers. So, my topic of today is the motivational cycle. So, there are the 6 stages in this motivational cycle. So, first is the need. So, need is a feeling of lacking something. It is an essential requirement for our survival and for our well-being. And it is also a uh, for example, a need for shelter, a need of warmth, and the belonging to a particular group is our need. And when you identify your need, means when your need is fulfilled. So we second stage is a drive. We develop a drive to fulfill it. So drive is basically an urgent basic need for pressing satisfaction. For example, anger is there, thirst is there, a need of warmth is there. So all these things come under drive. So it also has an action and commitment, which means what is going to get you towards that goal. So drive uh, is basically is pushing you to achieve your satisfaction. Now third is your arousal. The arousal is a state of being energized, excited, and alert. For example, you people are having a cup of coffee, you people are having a piece of candy. So, which is a arousal basically. So, you must understand all these things are the arousal. So, now the fourth point is the goal directed behavior. The fourth stage, the goal directed behavior is the purposeful intention, purposeful actions which is performed intentionally to achieve a specific outcome or a goal. For example, if you are learning a particular language and if you are succeeded to speak it in front of others, that is a goal directed behavior. If you want to get the good marks, so you will develop a schedule, you will develop some study plan strategies, study management strategies. So all these come under goal directed behavior. Now the second, another example I would like to give is, if you are going for a vacation, if you are going for a family trip or somewhere else, you will research the destination, you will plan which place is comfortable, which place is hill station, what other hill stations are there where we can go. So these all are your goal directed behavior. Now if one of your friends invite you to their cousin brother or sister's wedding, you have a choice whether you want to go or not. Whether you, if you wish to attend the marriage, if you wish to plan that yes, I have to go. So that is also a goal directed behavior. So if somebody invites you to for the lunch, you choose whether I have to go for the lunch or not. So this is a goal directed behavior. Now after the goal directed behavior is your achievement. Achievement is basically the successful completion of a task or a goal. For example, if you are studying sincerely, if you are studying sincerely to get good grades, then you will achieve the good grades, which is a kind of achievement. If you are learning a new language, foreign language, or any language you wish to learn, and you try to speak it fluently, that is also an achievement. If you are going for playing a game and you want to master in the skills of that particular game, if you are successfully uh, executed that executed that game well, so it is a example of an achievement. Now the last is the reduction of the arousal. Now reduction of the arousal is decreasing one's decreasing one's level of physiological and psychological activation. If I try to go in deep, when we are stressed, when we are feeling overwhelmed, when we are having any kind of tension, we choose relaxation exercises, like we do deep breathing, we do meditation. So all these things come under your reduction of arousal. So this also gives you a mental peace also. So all these 6 stages are a part of the motivational cycle, which is very important for all of you. So I will show it to you, and you can take a look of it. What is motivational cycle and what are the stages, which is very important in everyday life also. What happens that we do lot of things, we do lot of work, but we need somebody to motivate us. So I am going to show you, just have a, so first is the need. So need is the feeling of lacking something. Now second is your drive, energy that pushes to take action. Now the third is the arousal, the state of being energized, excited and alert, as I have told you. The fourth is the goal directed behavior, purposeful action to achieve a specific outcome or a goal. Now after this goal directed behavior is the achievement, which is a successful completion of a task or a goal. Now the last is the reduction of arousal, means decreasing one's level of physiological and psychological activation, which is very important. So you can have the look clearly. I have opened the flashlight of my camera, so you can have a look and see clearly. This is a motivational cycle. The students who are studying psychology, it is a very important topic and you take a look on this. So all today's all so thank you so much to all of you for subscribing my channel, sharing my channel, and wishing you all a peaceful study. Marvelous Monday to all of you. So tomorrow I will discuss a new topic and I will try to bring more motivational topics for you all. So don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and sharing my video. Thank you to each one of you. Thank you to all for your constant support and motivation. Thank you. Bye bye.